Hi everybody, it's Bryce. Really sorry about canceling Monday's meeting, but I'm hoping to see most of you tonight. And hopefully before I see you tonight, you'll get a chance to look over this video. Hopefully it's only going to be 3-4 minutes. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be teaching you guys about Onyomi and Kunyomi. I'm still a student, and I'm still learning this stuff, so I might say stuff wrong, incorrect, but I do have a good idea of what this is about, so bear with me. So, a quick introduction. Um, So you see on the far left of these three words, you see hi, which is the kunyomi for day. Now if you go to the middle, you see nichijou, which means every day, using an onyomi. And if you see the last to the right is senjitsu, past days, and it is another second onyomi. The kanji for day in particular is rather special. It has many readings, but for an overview, you can think kunyomi is the Japanese reading. Onyomi is the Chinese reading. So think of it as kunyomi is Japanese, and onyomi, it literally has it in the name. Onyomi, which is the kanji for sound and reading. So the sound of the word when it was in the Chinese dialect. So that's the basics. So next, look at this chart. It's a little muddy, so stay with me. I'll walk you through it. So if you look at the top, you can see that the far left column is kanji, the two middle is meaning, and then kunyomi, and then the far right is onyomi. So if you look, I've listed 5 kanjis. If you'll notice that there's 5, and then there's another 5 repeated under it. So first, looking at the top section, you see the kanji for morning. In kunyomi, in the Japanese reading, this is asa. Or in onyomi, the Chinese reading, this is chou. Now, if you go down to the second part of the chart, you'll see asa is listed again, and you'll see 2 words that have been associated with it. These are 2 words respectively of kunyomi and onyomi. So first in kunyomi, asa gohan, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, means breakfast. But then you can also use choshoku, same meaning of breakfast, but this is using onyomi instead. And then even going further down, you see hiru gohan, and then you can also, instead of hiru gohan, you can use chushoku, which also means lunch. And then also, you see the last 3 kanji listed, night, nightfall, and evening, very similar meaning, so be careful. The first one is kunyomi of yoru, and then an onyomi of ya. So that one has words such as yoru, which is night, and yakan, which is nighttime. Now, getting to the last 2, it's important to note that not all words have incredibly often used kunyomi or onyomi. So ban is much more commonly used as ban, and yu is much more commonly used as yu, to a point so that I would recommend getting used to those being strictly that, and if you come across something you're unsure of, just be like, well, you got me. So that's a slight introduction to kunyomi and onyomi. For now, I'm going to be teaching you guys based on something called Kanji Basic Plus. It's free on the App Store. You guys can download it if you'd like, but I will be giving you the stuff. But if you want to get ahead and study the chapters that I am going to be picking from, you can go ahead and do that. That's it from me. I hope to see you all tonight, and thank you for listening.